Welcome to the world of Trelleborg Aerospace. My name is Jürgen Bosch. I'm the business unit president for the global aerospace business within Trelleborg Sealing Solution. I would like to take a few moments to tell you a little bit about what is happening here. We are here at the Paris Airshow, which is where we exhibit our latest products and solutions. And again, this year we had quite a few interesting activities and products that we could present to our customers that we of course meet at this occasion. I would like to name a few. One is being new activities around advanced air mobility. We're talking about additive manufacturing. We have a new member of the family with TSS Lindau, an acquisition we did not so long ago, which will give us a lot more opportunities and capabilities from a manufacturing perspective. Of course, we have opened up our Asia Pacific Aerospace Hub located in Singapore. So there's lots happening around Trelleborg Aerospace.
Hello, my name is Michael Deluca. I'm the General Manager for the Aerospace of Europe.
I'm Damien Savary. I'm in charge of aerospace in Europe.
We are very pleased to welcome you here at Le Bourget. This is our first day out of 4 years. It has been a long time since we had the last opportunity to meet the aerospace community. We have had many meetings already and there are more to come. Hopefully we will be able to support our customers during this show to go through their main challenges, which is the ramp up of the aerospace industry after the COVID crisis, as well as meeting their new requirements on challenging technologies for sustainable aviation.
All aircraft today did fly Trelleborg Aerospace Seals during the show, from the oldest to the last urban air mobility prototypes, and tomorrow the hydrogen ones. We are pleased to welcome you on the chalet and our stand to discuss about sealing solutions for the aerospace of the future.
Hi, I'm Richard Furlong, Director Global Operations, Airframe Seals. I'd like to talk to you today about our new 3D capability that we have at our manufacturing facility. We've developed the capability now to 3D print mold tools which can be used in our existing compression molding process. This gives us the ability now from the initial customer concept to within 48 hours is to have a prototype part made from the actual materials the seals will be manufactured from in the customer hands. We can also, with this capability, we can also make parts that are also fit for flight or for qualification. Also within the facility, we have now the capability within our own laboratory to develop silicon type materials that will be 3D printed where we no longer need a 3D printed tool.
I'm Matt Quinn, I'm the Global Product Manager for Airframe Seal Manufacturing, and update on our composite capabilities. So in addition to our current ability to preform and co-cure composite materials in airframe and engine seals, we're now producing components at our Cadley Hill facility. So using our Class 8 clean room and either autoclave or compression mold techniques, we can process phenolics, epoxies and ester-based systems. In collaboration with our customers, we've actively removed metals from airframe systems as well as fire seals. What we've been able to do then with that composite system is provide the customer with a mechanical equivalence whilst reducing the weight and in some instances the cost of product too.
Hello, I'm very honored to speak to you today in preparation for the Paris Airshow. My name is Rita and I'm part of the Trelleborg team Lindau, Bavaria Lake out of Constance. I'm head of the purchasing and customer service and have been working in this position almost 5 years. In November 2022, our company joined the Trelleborg Group for already 8 months. Today, I would like to talk about the extrusion of silicone and colors that we can produce in Lindau. Our products in extrusion are used in almost all aerospace applications. Besides the already qualified parts listed in the Airbus QPL, we can offer our customer a wide range of size and colors. As you can see here, almost any color we can produce. Our team is able to assist you in the development and qualification of new colors like you would like to have. It's an amazing variety of colors we have. If you have, for example, the look on the gray colors, some seem to be similar, but they are all different. And even pink we can produce, my favorite shadow of rose.
Hello, Quinn, Asia Pacific Retail Director for Trelleborg Aerospace here at the Paris Airshow 2023. Talk to you today a little bit about Trelleborg Aerospace fire seals and really the evolution of our fire seals, how we've come to design, develop, and produce those seals. Like the changing times, the requirements on fire seals themselves have significantly increased over the years, and therefore we've had to keep up and adapt ourselves. And we've done this primarily through our R&D development, extensive FDA that's validated and proven and very accurate, as well as in-house testing capability of our fire test lab, a myriad of additional testing capability to support fire seal material development, product development. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Terry Groom, the General Manager of Aerospace of Europe North. I'm here today at the Bourget 2023 and want to talk a little bit about hydrogen. At this time, there's lots of activity and research being undertaken about how hydrogen can be used to power future aircraft as the aviation industry looks to shift to a more carbon neutral. At Trelleborg Sealing Solutions Aerospace, we've got lots of products and materials that are suitable for these types of applications, such as the wheel's metallic ring, which can be used for liquid hydrogen at cryogenic temperatures. We also have the PTFE Turcom seal, which is a spring energized seal that can be used for gaseous applications. I really look forward to meeting our customers this week to talk about these safety critical applications and how we can support you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Mark Barnes, General Manager, Aero Hub West here to talk a little bit about space and the dramatic pace at which this is moving. We're starting to see more launches and recovery of those vehicles. We're starting to see 3D printing of rocket nozzles and sections. We're starting to see basically more larger rockets with up to 42 engines on them. The other thing too is that we're also seeing proposals for reorbiting gas stations to support longer missions. And in some cases, they're redesigning these engines in about a week, requiring seals, proposals, and quotes within a matter of weeks and not months. So the bottom line is this is important. We need to get this right. And so we need to be nimble, and we need to have the experience, and we need to be efficient with our people and process. So with the help of Trelleborg, basically R&D, manufacturing, application engineering, and marketing, and other places, we can meet and respond to the requirements with new capabilities, new materials, and meet the technical requirements of the industry. Thank you.
Okay, hello, I'm Torben Andersen. I'm the segment director for Trelleborg Aerospace. My heritage with the company is about 40 years, and I'm coming from the hydraulic side. So what I want to say something about here is landing gear, or landing gear in general. We have been working on the landing gear since A320, supplying bearings and seals. Now, of course, we are also studying new types of seals, going into plastic bearings, or cut bearings that can last the whole aircraft life and actually support the seals. So the seals and the bearings work in unison to support a longer lifetime of the whole system. We are studying in Stuttgart. We have a small test rig, which is about A320 nose gear size. And we also have a big test rig, which is about this size, where we can test the seal full scale, and we can test new surface finishes like HVUF and whatever may come along. We're also working on new seal materials because we know it's going to be the future. There's going to be changes, and we will follow them. We will be ready when we need to do that. Thank you.